In today's world, English is more than just a subject, it's a life skill. But for many students, speaking in English feels like a fear they can't overcome. At Quest, we change that. With activity-based learning, real-life practice, and stage exposure, we help students break their fear and find their voice. Our sessions go beyond textbooks. We focus on fluency, confidence, and personality development. Whether it's public speaking or just everyday conversation, students learn to express themselves with clarity and confidence. Parents notice the change. Teachers appreciate the growth. Schools trust the process. We've partnered with leading schools to make communication a core part of education. Quest, building communicators, shaping leaders.